Welcome back everybody. So this week's video we are going to be making a garlic press. So on the lathe here we've got a piece of brown ivory and we're just going to start getting it around with a Easy Wood Tools mid-size finisher. And now we've switched out to the Easy Wood Tools mid-size rougher, just to flatten out the sides and make sure they're nice and parallel. This wood was extremely dense and super hard, but didn't have any problems with them cutters. Alright, so we've gone to the bottom of the bowl now and we're just marking out for the mortise. Alright, so we're going to go in with the mid-size Easy Wood detailer, just to define where we're going to put it. And we're going to flatten everything off with the mid-size rougher and clear out that mortise. And back to the detailer just so it matches the angle of the jaws. There we go. Alright, so I've done all the most of the sanding already, so we're just going to do some 240 grit here from Cling Spore Abrasives. There we go. And put a little bit of methylated spirits on that, or some denatured alcohol, depending where you are in the world. Some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There is links down in the description if you wish to buy any of this. There are some UK and US distributors. Like I say, link down below. So you want to buff this in until you get a clean paper towel and you will get the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There we go.
I'm laying down it to compile it.
Okay, so you've got some Hampshire Sheen Gloss finish there. It's food and toy safe. You can put it on all over. Start the lathe nice and slow, make sure you get nice even coverage. Right, let the solvents evaporate, turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 and then you just buff it in, not pressing too hard. You don't want to buff it all off, you want to keep that wax on there, like I say, not pushing too hard. Just light pressure. There we go, shiny. Alright, we're going to get to the inside part now, or the bowl area. I'm going to go in with the #1 hollower to start with. Like I said already, this wood is extremely hard, dense and heavy, but the #1 hollower is very light working with.
I'm on the sideline where
And we're switching to the mid-size finisher just to take out any ridges at my left. And do a few finishing passes. There we go. Yeah, once again I've already done most of the sanding, but I'm just going to do the 240 grit now. There we go. Clean it out with a bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And some sanding sealer. Once again, some Hampshire Sheen Gloss wax. To finish off the bowl part. Same process as before. Let the solvents evaporate. After you've wiped it all over, and then you turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200, and then just buff it in, not pushing too hard. Like I say, you don't want to wipe all that wax off. Really, really nice piece of wood this was. There we go. Alright, so we've got a piece of walnut here. This is for the whacker part, or the smasher part, or crusher part, whatever you want to call it. So we're just going to start getting it to shape with the mid-size rougher. And we switch to the #1 hollower. Not just for hollowing. And there's the mid-size detailer. And back to the #1 hollower again. And the detailer for, well, details. And cleaning up that handle a little bit more with the #1 hollower. And we've got the wire burner there, and a nice cameo there from Mr. Carl Jacobson. That's the Carl Jacobson Signature Series tool from Easy Wood Tools. And back to the detailer just to take that end piece off down a little bit more. Ready for sanding. Alright. Okay, just like the bowl, I've already done most of the sanding, so now I'm going to take you to the 240 grit once again from Thinksport Abrasives. There we go. And some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean out that grain.
Don't know what we have to do, but someone's gotta change. You got issues that makes you a fuss, but someone's gotta change.
Some sanding sealer.
If we never ever met before, if I never opened up my door, yeah, 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 yeah. If we never ever got to start, if I never opened up my heart, yeah, 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 yeah. You're about to lose me, just like that, just like that.
And some Hampshire Sheen Food and Toy Safe Citrus Burnishing Oil. If anyone's interested in any Hampshire Sheen products I've used in this video, there will be a link down below. So I'm going to put this on nice and slow to begin with, and then turn the lathe up really fast and just buff it in and build up the heat. I end up putting about 4 coats, I believe, of this burnishing oil one. Okay, so there will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. Give us a big old thumbs up, and until the next one, I shall see you later. Bye bye for now.